Thyroid gland stores hormone before secretion. Thyroid gland is the largest endocrine gland, bilobed, and it is located in front of trachea below the larynx. The two lobes are connected a non-secretory band called the isthmus. Here the isthmus is present. Isthmus is here present. Histology of thyroid gland. Here the histology of thyroid gland. Rounded follicles are present. These are the rounded follicles. The rounded follicles are present in interfollicular connective tissue is called the stroma. Here the stroma is present, which is interfollicular tissue. This is called the stroma. Stroma contain the blood capillaries. Here the blood capillaries are present and the small group of parafollicular cells, that is the C cells, are also present. Thyroid follicles are composed a cuboidal. Here the C cells are present and it is composed of a cuboidal epithelium resting on a basement membrane. This is the cuboidal cells which are resting on the basement membrane filled with the gelatinous colloid. Here the colloid is present, gelatinous colloid, the hormone TSH, and it contains the hormone TSH, that is thyroxine or the tetraiodothyroxine hormone. This is the thyroid gland, and from thyroid gland TSH hormone, and from this thyroid T3 and T4 hormones are secreted. A amino acid tyrosine and the one molecule of the iodine, it produces a T1 thyrotropin, thyroido, and amino acid plus tyrosine and two molecules of iodine, it produces GT2. But by combination of T1 plus T2 produces the T3, and the T2 plus T2, that is two molecules diiodothyrin, produces the T4. The gland stores hormone before secretion and regulated by a thyrotropin of pituitary gland. It is regulated by thyrotropin of pituitary gland by negative feedback. TSH, thyrotropin hormone, thyrotropin of pituitary gland by negative feedback. The functions of thyroxine. So thyroid hormone produces the T3 and T4 hormone, amino acid of tyrosine. Here the monoiodothyronine. This is the monoiodothyronine, that is one iodine molecule whenever attached it is called the monoiodothyronine, and when two iodine molecules are attached then it is called, these are the two iodine molecule, whenever they are attached it is called the diiodothyronine. So this is the triiodo, that is when diiodothyronine combines with monoiodothyronine produces the triiodothyronine. Here the tetraiodo, that is two molecule of diiodothyronine, that is two iodine molecule combined with amino acid tyrosine, two molecule of iodine they combine with tyrosine, produces the 2-iodo, 2-iodo, that is T2 plus T2 is equal to tetraiodothyronine. Then thyroxine hormone, it regulates the BMR of body. It regulates the metabolism by stimulating the protein synthesis. It promotes the growth of body tissue. It helps the thermoregulation by increasing heat production. It increases the action of neurotransmitter adrenaline and non-adrenaline. Supports RBC production and maintain the water and electrolyte balance, as well as regulate the reproductive cycle in the female. The calcitonin hormone regulates the calcium metabolism. So parafollicular cells or the C cells which are present in between the two follicles. So it regulates the calcitonin hormone and regulate the calcium metabolism. The disorders related to the thyroid gland. Hyperthyroidism, that is increase in the level of the thyroid hormone, is called the hyperthyroidism. Increases the metabolic rate. The sensitivity, the sweating shows the person shows the sweating, as well as the flushing, the rapid respiration and bulging of eyeballs. The effects of various physiological activities. This is called the grave disease or the exophthalmic. Here the hyperthyroidism in adult. The protruding eyeballs, then increases BMR, the weight loss, increased heartbeat, increased blood pressure, higher body temperature, nervousness, irritability, temper of fingers, bulging eyeballs is the example of hyperthyroidism. Then caused by deficiency of thyroid hormone and is called as the hypothyroidism or the removal of thyroid gland, here the thyroidectomy. Deficiency of thyroid hormone or the removal of thyroid gland. Cretinism, hyposecretion in infant. Whenever the hyposecretion in infant takes place, then it is called the cretinism. Reduced BMR, low oxidation. Then short stature causes because the skeleton fails to grow. Mentally retarded, dry skin, thick tongue. Prolonged neonatal jaundice. Lethargy, person shows the lethargy. Constipation and stunted physical growth. Delayed puberty and mental retardation. Treated early administration of thyroid gland. So the person having the reduced BMR, short stature, as well as delayed puberty and the mental retardation. Then here the myxoedema. In myxoedema, deficiency of thyroid hormone in an adult, the thickening and puffiness of the skin and subcutaneous tissue, particularly of a face of extremities, the lack of alertness, intelligence, slow heart rate or low BP, always feeling cold, low body temperature, retarded sexual development. So lack of intelligence whenever occurred due to the thyroxine hormone, and such condition is called the myxoedema. The simple goiter, iodine deficiency, it is iodine deficiency, goiter, enlargement of thyroid gland, but total output of thyroxine is decreased and common in hilly area. The person who lives in a hilly area, so the person it is generally found in the common in hilly area. Addition to the iodine to the tablet or the salt prevents such simple goiter. So this is the simple goiter. Here the enlargement of neck or the thyroid gland is called the goiter. Calcitonin hormone secreted by the C cells regulated concentration of calcium and phosphorus in the blood. Regulate the calcium and phosphorus in the blood. It is secreted when the concentration of calcium rises in the blood plasma. It lowers the concentration of calcium and phosphorus in the plasma by decreasing their release from the bone and accelerating the uptake of calcium and phosphorus by bone. It is under the feedback control and the calcium concentration.